If you analyze this ratio 3:1, what you can infer, let me put it here. If I take the ratio 3:1, here this 3 represents debt and 1 represents equity. It means 3/4 is debt and 1/4 is equity. 3/4 is nothing but 3/4. In percentage it is 75 and this 1/4 is 25. It means what we can infer is debt can go up to 75%, whereas equity should be at least 25%. So if a ratio is going up to 3:5, it is fine, but it is the maximum. It is the maximum which the industry considers. So many of the financial institutions will have their threshold ratio for debt equity as 3:1. If they come across a customer with a ratio greater than 3:1, they will tag those customers as financially risky customer. Okay, so instead of 3:1, let's say the ratio is 4:1. Then what is the implication?